Land surveys play a vital role in establishing effective land planning and providing essential data for making informed decisions in land development. During a conversation, our founder Mr. Vidyadharan and his colleague Mr. Saeed Salam Humaid Al-Mughazwi realized that the lack of Omani-based survey data providers were hindering growth and opportunities for the people of Oman. With a passion for progress and commitment to the community, they took a bold step to found GMAP, offering extraordinary survey solutions. GMAP was designed with a strong dedication to advancement and a deep commitment to serving the community, providing extraordinary survey solutions. Mr. Vidyadharan, an experienced engineer since 1989, assembled a team of expert engineers. Mr. Khalid Sulaiman, Hamid Al-Jawari, Mrs. Bindu Ullatil, and Mr. CBP Benny. With his strong leadership skills and expertise of the team, the venture was successfully initiated. This brought in the required competence to the table, providing high-quality surveying services to clients in Oman and beyond. During the year 2004-2009, GMAP received an overwhelming positive response and developed a loyal clientele, which eventually made them what they are today. Using DGPS surveys, the team provided services to the Omani government as well as private sectors such as road networks, utility networks, oil and gas, infrastructure, mining and tourism. As consultants, we give detailed blueprints on how to execute these large landmark projects and delivered exceptional results to stakeholders throughout all the levels, from the field team to the CEO. The clamor for our exceptional services continue to escalate, reaching new heights of prestige and recognition. In 2014, we one-upped the technology by introducing 3D LiDAR scanning, a special combination of 3D laser and photogrammetry used to determine the surface of the earth, assess information about the ground surface, create a digital twin of an object, detail a range of geospatial information, and has built data of existing infrastructure, including buildings, plants, towers, etc. This data is extremely useful for architects and design engineers in their work. As a result, we grew into a thriving company, boasting a team of over 50 highly skilled surveyors and other experts, each committed to elevate the standards of excellence in their field. Determined to be number one in the market, we implemented a dedicated computer lab, quality control system, and hired more experts. Further to this, in 2016, we started an exceptional GIS department, a computer system that analyzes and displays geographically referenced information used for capturing, storing, checking, and displaying data related to a unique position on Earth's surface. The topography of Oman is highly uneven, and collecting accurate survey data can be extremely challenging over these hilly terrains. To overcome this challenge, we introduced real-time kinematic-based drone surveys in 2017, which generate high-resolution detailed 3D models of areas where low-quality, outdated, or even no data is available, changing the face of drone surveys in Oman. The accuracy of the data and high acceptance in the market brought us a total flying hours of more than 3,750 in a short span of time at an LTI rate of 0. With the exponential growth of cities and facilities in Oman came a critical challenge: the lack of methods to identify the locations of existing utilities. Everyone were having problems, from the client to the contractor, which resulted in nationwide losses, including time, manpower, and financial. After diligent investigation and perseverance by GMAP, a resolution was found. Thus, in a landmark decision, we introduced ground-penetrating radar (GPR) surveys, a geophysical method that uses radar pulses to image the subsurface. Due to the rising demand for our technology, offices were opened in Salalah, Sohar, and Duqm by 2019. In 2020, while the whole world was under the clutches of COVID, we successfully worked towards introducing a bathymetric survey machine to fulfill the requirements of our cherished clients. The technology allows us to measure the depth of a water body as well as map its underwater features. This is beneficial for development of port, marine consultants, offshore contractors, dredging companies, environmental agencies, tourism, agriculture and fisheries, and many more. The equipment is top of the line, best in class, and supreme. In the same year, we matched the inventory of our equipment to meet the growing requirements of our increasing client base. By 2022, we had risen to the level of being the best in the market. To keep up with the changing times, we introduced the mobile mapper, which helps to collect geospatial data from a moving vehicle. This is useful for infrastructure, utility, asset management, tourism, engineering consultants and contractors while making surveys easy and fast even in high traffic areas. At this monumental juncture, we compartmentalized our services into different departments to cater for each client diligently. Our vision includes accepting challenges in the competitive market with a wide range of high technologies. We offer safe and complete satisfaction to clients while continuing to grow as a pioneer in the field. Our mission to reach our vision includes excelling in quality and ensuring client satisfaction by delivering high-quality, cost-effective services, undertaking risky, challenging time-bound land surveys while being committed to excellence and investing in cutting-edge spatial data equipment to stay up-to-date in the technological race. To date, GMAP has completed over 13,000 projects with more than 1,000 satisfied clients, including Oman Power and Water Procurement Company, Minerals Development Oman, the Ministry of Health, the Royal Office of Oman, the Port of Salalah, and many more. With a commitment to accuracy, precision, and timely delivery, GMAP is the one-stop shop for all survey solutions, safeguarding data confidentiality and providing 24/7 support. Why GMAP? All survey solutions under one roof, data confidentiality, dedicated staff ready to provide 24/7 service support. Data securely archived for future reference, accurate, precise and presentable data, on-time delivery, cost-effective, latest cutting-edge technology. GMAP is proudly certified by ISO, JSRS, Tender Board and equipped with a powerhouse team of around 100 employees in various sectors, including marketing specialists, data processing engineers, survey and utility engineers, hydrographic survey engineers, road engineers, quality control engineers, technical and supporting staff. We work on a wide range of industries, including mining, oil and gas, utility, transportation and infrastructure, town planning, government, agricultural and fisheries, tourism, archaeology, private sectors and many more. As we step into the future, GMAP looks forward to expanding its services beyond the borders of Oman to the GCC and other countries, where our presence would help broaden our perspectives and let the world get a glimpse of our game-changing survey solutions. GMAP. The world is evolving, so join us on this journey and be a part of shaping tomorrow.